What we've got for you here is a tool that'll help stretch that cadet paycheck as far as possible when it comes to eating and drinking in the local area. We all know Mitch's isn't anyone's favorite, so some of these deals might make it worth it to get off base once in a while. We'll go over how to use the tool. Of course, on this sheet there's just a list of happy hour specials, but if we go to this tab, put in what day, for example, we're looking to eat on, what time we're looking, in military time of course, and then go back to our list, you'll see that the Excel sheet automatically highlights applicable deals. Makes it easier than searching through everything, and of course it can be updated with new deals as you find more. These are some of our favorites. All these restaurants are less than 20 minutes from the academy. We all know it's hard looking this good, eating like this. So get out there and stretch that cadet paycheck.